Welcome back to the final episode of this Turkey Creek, Black Canyon Creek, backway to Cleater, whatever you want to call it. Today we are in about this area, and if you notice on the left-hand side line graph, I basically complete this like straight up section. We start about 2,600 feet, and we end about 3,400 feet. So I'm climbing 1,000 feet today, and I am not good at hill climbs. So let's get to the hilarious live action.
Oh, I think we run the creek here. Only for a little bit. We take a left out of it right here. Oh, we're climbing now. I shouldn't have looked. You're right. I shouldn't have looked. I should have just hit it. And then I would have died. Okay, we're walking it. This doesn't look like that bad of a walk section. Not as bad as that other walk section. Problem with walking is you got to keep the bike going and your footing all at the same time. Almost through it. And then the bike tries to fall over onto you. Doesn't it know that you're trying to save its life? Days like today, I kind of understand why people walk across the desert. This is only 20 miles. The whole trail, starting from the gas station. You could easily start from Crown King Road. Yeah, karate kick. Oh, I pulled a muscle. 1, 2, 3, go. Can't see. Could see just enough. Oh, I was seriously considering taking up hiking back there. Like, screw it. I'm gonna start walking everywhere in the desert. Boots are already as wet as they would be if I was hiking. Jeez. There's so many times where my windshield and navigation phone almost punched my action camera right in the face. It doesn't happen. Is this the climbing section finally that I had a feeling was coming? This ain't that bad if this is it. I don't know, maybe you do this trail the opposite way. Cleater home. Then you would just have to drop the bike down that really gnarly section. Oh, if this is the only climbing, oh, thank God. Thank him either way. It's a nice day. We're climbing, guys. I knew we'd be climbing. But as long as it's like this. Oh my gosh! Crossing. Don't look. Just go. Don't look. We're in the rut. It's fine. Don't look. Just go. Go up the middle. Go anywhere. Anywhere as long as you're going forward. Oh, yes. Wash out. Oh. I knew one of those was coming. And we're not done yet. Sorry, little bike. Don't overheat. Oh, man. There's more. We're not out of the woods yet, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. We're in the rut. I don't give a shit. Oh. Oh. Had to put my foot down to get out of the rut. Still climbing. Don't look. 1, 2, 3, go. Cross. Oh man, I'm using up my 1, 2, 3 goes today. Oh yeah. Sorry if I'm shouting. Try to edit it down. But man. Oh, I can hear my fan just ripping. Not overheating, so we're good. Keep going. Downhill? I don't want to go anywhere downhill. Oh my gosh, there is a section coming up, guys. That utterly looks like hell. Screw it, don't look. 1, 2, 3, go. Left, I want to go left. Speed is your friend. Don't be scared of speed. Speed is your friend. Momentum and speed. Just don't look. Just don't. Just go. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna close my eyes. You guys tell me which way to go. Oh man. We made it. We made it through the section that I saw on the other side of the road. We're gonna keep making it. As long as there's no big boulders. Jagged rock, fine. Puncture my tire. I'll spin that thing on the rim. Whoa, we are climbing. That was the climb that I knew was coming. I knew there's no way we had to have gotten back to civilization from the bottom of that canyon. Because I've passed by Cleater before on the road to Crown King and there was no canyon. Let's just hope that's all the climbing. A little bit of downhill, fine. This freaking road cannot make up its mind if we're going up or if we're going down. Oh, this trail. Gnarly. Momentum is definitely my friend. I've got to learn that. I've got to get that through my thick head somehow. That's how these enduro guys do it. They just fly up the hill. Oh, more roads intersect. It's a good sign. Means for once in our life we're near civilization. Oh, steep down it looks like. Then up. Not so bad. It's kind of like it was before the mine. That I somehow made it through, that I have no idea how. Another climb, guys. Here we go. The right line looks just like butter. Yeah, right line was butter. The map says we're getting close to Cleater, but the road says I'm gonna twist and turn you and jerk you and uphill and down you 7 more times before we get there. Right line. Oh my gosh. Just don't look at it again, guys. Just go. Just come on. One last one. 1, 2, 3, go. Screw it. Going up the middle to this left line. Oh, we were slipping and had to cross over. I don't know where I'm going. I can't see. Ah, I can see. I don't know how many of those 1, 2, 3 goes I get in a day where they all work out. But I have to be running out of my 90 lives today, or 9 or whatever it is. It's kind of beautiful out here though. Green grass. Well, you guys see what I see on the other side of the freaking valley? I gotta get down this one first. Well, my brakes seem to be dry, so they're not squeaking anymore. Okay, climbing. Exhaust noises now. Not bad. It's not too bad. Oh, I've kind of been through what this road wants to throw at me. Oh, the tree tried to take my jacket off. Oh, man. Oh, not bad. Not bad. We've got... The map says we're right by Cleater. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, I don't even know, can't see. Just go. Doesn't matter where we're going, we're just going forward. Gosh, I was totally unsurprised by that. Because you just turn and you're just... She had one more pitch to throw at me. I hit that one, though. I knocked that one out of the park. Can't see nothing. Oh. I kid you guys not. I turned that corner, saw nothing but rock, and just twisted the throttle. I know. Some of you in the comments would be like, that's what you need to do all the time. It's not that bad. Little rocky. Nope, not going down anymore. Want to go up. Moving on up. Moving on up. Oh, yeah. Climbing again. First gear. Nice little easy path. Oh, we have got to be almost there. Ah. Oh. And I was just nailing it through there. This thing was just bouncing hard. Alright, she's got another climb for us. Oh, the left looks like butter again. Oh yeah, left is butter. Left is butter. You can barely see, but it looks like the right is butter now. Now it looks like the left is butter, except for there's a tree in my butter. Oh. Oh, I'm just jackhammering this thing now. Oh, big bump. Oh. Yeah, I hope it comes out on the front wheel camera. Some of those were just, I just worry, like a pinch flat, a bent rim. Because some of them I just whacking them hard. Is that what you guys do? You just come through a section like that at like 40? I'm serious. Maybe the map is way zoomed out. There's Cleater. You see all the houses? Oh, sweet. If I'd wrecked now and broke my leg, I could crawl to civilization right now. Oh, she's got some more rough stuff for us. I knew it too. I knew it because I was dragging this morning. I was hesitant. I was procrastinating. I was like, I don't know if I want to do that trail. It's so scary. I was like, oh, it's only 20 miles. I've done, way worse. I've done like 50 miles sometimes in dirt. Let's just go. So I came and I vastly underestimated it. Well, I knew it'd be tough. I didn't know I'd break my phone. That's number one. I learned that. Don't put your phone in your front pocket. I think I have it flat. Like, the way I'm feeling my front rocks, I don't care, I'm riding it. My front feels sketched out. I can go around the cattle guard. That's nifty. Seriously feels like the front just feels bruised, flat, I don't know. What? There's a Circle K. Welcome to the town of Cleater, ladies and gentlemen. There's much easier ways to get to it. Don't take the way I just took. Look at that shanty. Oh, Cleater. I've never been so happy to see this place before in my life. Cleater Bar and Yacht Club. Wonder if they'll let me in with soaking wet boots on. Oh, this is where I leave you guys. The dirt road home is just a dirt road. Thanks for watching me almost die.